Hey everybody, I am camping on a beautiful Saturday evening. Don't have my tent packed up because it rained last time. So, I'm going to be setting up here and don't know what to film this evening. I'm probably going to go down in the quarry and work on another little video project. A little review of those toys that I'll collect. And I'm going to make myself a nice meal and listen to some music and just try to relax because it's been a little stressful lately. Just the usual stuff. But yeah, now watch me set this up in lightning speed. Well, it's about 5:30, and I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm shouting, but I'm so far away without a lapel mic, it's hard to hear me from this far away. So I decided not to go down in the quarry and work on a video. It's a little cool, and I want to hang out here and just enjoy the afternoon and the evening. I got my firewood all cut up and ready to go, and I'm going to take my chair and my binoculars and sit on my new little perch up on the hill up here, and just relax and look around a little bit and watch the wildlife and just enjoy some time out here. So that's what I'm going to do for a little while. Well, it's about 6:30 now. I'm just waiting for the opportunity to get the fire going here. I think probably in the next 15 minutes or so. Get the charcoal going anyhow, and then I'll cook my steak. And then after that, I'll get the fire going. It'll start to get dark soon after that. And I don't know, I thought maybe just try to get some star photos if it's clear. Right now it's just a beautiful golden sunny evening, but it did cool off, and I forgot to put my tennis shoes on, so I'm wearing sandals. It's no big deal, but that's where we're at. I think I'll bring you back in when the steak is cooking so you can have a peek at it. see how we did here. Canned green beans, can't go wrong there, really. Heat them up. Alrighty. Now let's see how the steak goes. Letting it rest for a little bit. Get the fork out, get the spoon in, get the knife out here. Let's get these juices on beans. Okay. Let's see how we did here. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Taste. Okay. I may not make you watch me eat the whole thing, but I've been looking forward to this all week long. Let's see here. These guys need a bit of a stir. Okay. Okay, I'll fill you in a little bit later if anything happens.